Hi friends, you're on the channel around Mira. We are in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh City, and we are talking about Cozrum, homes, Riverside, Ben Van Don, apartments. So it's a big company, different apartments in Ho Chi Minh, and we are talking about just this one. Firstly, it stands in the 4th district in Ho Chi Minh. How to get here from airport? I will explain you two ways: cheap way and convenient way. Cheapest way is to get here by the bus. You can use one bus, for example, let me check, 152 number. So you need to go to working 1 kilometer from the bus stop to here. Check your position by Google Maps or other maps. And other way, you can use two buses. One bus from airport is number 109, and then change bus to number 31. So it's only just 400 meters from bus station or bus stop to here. More convenient and cheapest. Also, you can choose another way to get a taxi from airport, but it's not cheap. I think I always afraid to get a taxi from airport in other cities to a hotel, because I think often the price changed when you arrive to a hotel. So I book it in advance. We use a Klook service. It costs about 300,000 Vietnam dong, and they provide us a taxi, business class car, so it was convenient. And we will write down a link and comment how to do that in our description, in the description to this video. Important moment, what to say about price. Price is cheap for this city, for the center of the city. It's about $10 per one night. So let's go inside and check what did we buy. So this is our room. It looks as on the pictures, but all the furniture, all the kitchen equipment looks as an ancient. But it works, it works. If to speak about cleaning, it could be better. But staff is great. If you need something, ask them. They will be happy to help you. Look here, about sheets. It's clean, believe me, but you see some spots from laundry chemistry. So, look here, we have a table and chair. It's important for me because I prefer to work in travel. So, it's not convenient to take your laptop and work here in this position. No, it's not convenient. Work here, it's great, you see? Next place is kitchen. So, we have induction cooker. We have, everything for cooking. We have every day 2 waters free, freeze, air conditioner. Also, we have a screen. Screen is great because it's possible to use your flash card with your content and see your favorite movies. That's great. So, just go and look a bathroom. Yeah, it's also important. Bathroom is ordinary. So, only shower, no tropical shower, nothing special, only shower, and 2 towels, nothing else. Okay, about the windows. We have 3 windows in one room. But it doesn't matter because look through the window. It's another building, nothing else. Yeah, and the same situation with every window in this room. But it's not bad because other guests from other floors, we are on the first floor, and they're higher than we are. They told me it's so noisy because windows in other rooms goes directly on the street, and many cars and people and so on. So it's noisy. Maybe it's better. Okay, just 3 questions. First question: if you have a motorbike, you can leave it here inside a hotel just for free if you live here. If you need to wash your clothes, laundry in here, free for you. And last time, about Wi-Fi here. It's also important because Wi-Fi is a connection. Connection with your friends, with your parents. It's good for work and so on. If you speak about Wi-Fi, it's not bad. Inside speed is about 2.59 megabyte per second, and outside speed is 167 kilobyte per second. So it's not bad, not bad. So you see everything by yourself. To live here or not, to book this room or not. Now you can make a decision. But I told you about advantages and disadvantages, and you remember, this room costs just $10 per night. I think it's cheap for center of the city, for center of the Ho Chi Minh. So make a decision by yourself. And stay together with us, have a good trip, have a good vacation, and see you again.